It's time to play What's in the Box. Can you guess what's inside?
So yeah, here it is, my first purchase from eBay, and I was mildly surprised actually. The box turned up, and as I opened it, there it was, the authenticity guarantee. Everything was really well packaged. Super impressed actually that eBay messaged me to say that there was a couple of things on the watch in terms of how clean it was, to say it wasn't new and would I be happy to take it. Lots of paperwork, lots of detail as to why and how they authenticate the watches, and as you can see just there is a little authentication card, a bit like the card you get from the watch manufacturers as and when it comes through. Just flip it out the package, there we go, authenticity guarantee. Really super job. You can scan the QR code as well, because I believe it takes you back to the listing. Everything was packaged really nicely, and the seller really kindly, without me asking, in fact I didn't even know it was available, offered to give me, look, there you go, IWC, cat's out the bag, offered to give me a watch winder and also a watch roll as well, which was great. But yeah, everything was packaged super well, so thoroughly impressed there with eBay. Yeah, as I said, they gave me a very nice watch roll as well, which we'll put to the side for a second. And, well, here it is, my new IWC watch. I'm pretty sure you would have guessed by now that it was going to be an IWC, because I've been banging on about it for weeks and weeks and weeks. A little flick on the box there. And it comes in this gorgeous little travel case, which really useful. I'm not sure when I'm going to use it, but travel cases are always handy. Little pop-off clicker. Yeah, we go, they pop it off, and IWC embossed on the top. Inside, the watch is really well packaged with some bubble wrap, and there we go. IWC Black Aces, and absolutely, I would call it a stunning watch. It's really simple actually. If we just take it out the packet here, you can see that eBay put on a little more protection. Is it protection? It basically says if you break this seal, then you can no longer send the watch back to them post opening it. But of course, having seen the watch and all the images, I was more than happy, and of course ripped it straight off. Looking at the watch, really gorgeous black ceramic, and yeah, one I've been looking for a little while. If you watch the channel, you would know that that it's been on my list and on my radar. So let's have a look. Gorgeous looking dial, really simple. Everybody knows I'm a bit of a chrono fan, so this might come as a surprise to a few of you. But yeah, there it is, Black Aces. So the spec on this watch, this is an IWC reference number IW326905. It's the Pilot Watch Automatic 41 Black Aces. It's the white dial, and the loom on this is absolutely incredible. It's got a black textile strap, and the width is 20 millimeters. It's been a real adventure, and actually before I bought this watch, I did speak to Spencer about the the daunting opportunity of buying a watch at a great price from eBay, and he assured me that everything would be good with it and it'd be a good journey. But in terms of the watch, it's got a central hacking seconds. It uses the IWC 32-100 caliber. It's an automatic self-winding with a 72-hour power reserve. 156 components. Well, sounds like quite a lot for such a basic watch, with 21 jewels. I have to say, super happy to own this watch, and maybe next time at the next watch show you see me, I'll be wearing it.